Turning 2D images into parallax animations is easier than ever, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly do that. So let's hop into Photoshop here. We have our photo that we want to turn into a parallax animation, and we essentially need two layers. That's going to be the simplest parallax animation you can possibly have, is just a two-layered image. So let's go ahead and duplicate this image. We're going to name this foreground, and we're going to name this background. Now that we have that, let's select our foreground and we are going to make our selection and just select the people. So let's go to select up top and we're going to click subject. And there you have it. So now all we have to do is turn this into a mask. So we're going to click on mask on the bottom and this will create a mask down here. And you can see when we turn off our background layer, we just have the people in this mask. We're going to work on the background this time. Let's press Command and then click on the mask, and that will give us our selection back. We're going to make this selection bigger now. I will tell you why in a second. So click on Select and click on Expand. And I like to do 20 pixels. I think that's fine. It depends on the size of your image, really. But you just need this selection to be slightly bigger, just in case the next thing that we do is going to get confused. So we're going to use generative fill next. That is going to give us our background. So let's click on edit, generative fill, and we're going to type remove. And you can see it removed them really nicely. So let's drag this new layer down and let's merge it with the background. Click on both of them and then hit Command E, and that will merge them together. So let's rename this a background. We'll save this and hop into After Effects because we have everything that we need from Photoshop for this. Okay, so inside After Effects here, we are going to select Composition, Retain Layer Sizes, click OK. So we're going to turn these into 3D layers now. So go ahead and click this cube icon over here. That'll turn it into a 3D layer. We're going to add a camera as well. That is what we will animate. And then let's move the background to add some depth to this image. So click on your background, press P, and then we're going to type 1500. And then we're just going to hit S and scale this back up. So now we just have to animate the scene. Let's toggle our camera down here and we're going to make a keyframe on point of interest and position. Go to the end of your composition and we're going to click on this orbit around cursor tool. We're going to rotate this slightly. We can see the edge of the image here, but that's fine because we are also going to zoom this in as well. So let's play our animation and see what it looks like. So now you have a parallax animation that you made very quickly inside of Photoshop and After Effects. Hope you enjoyed this. I will catch you next time.